Just like last year, KU students are waiting until the last moment to buy their Halloween costumes. Danielle Larrabee, KU grad student, says she is still undecided in her costume choice, but does have some ideas.
I'm thinking about Dorothy, and the ketchup and mustard's pretty cute, doing that with a friend. But I haven't really decided yet, so I'm still in the process of deciding.
Despite the economy, costumes at popular Halloween stores like Party America are flying off the shelves. Party America, which has on average 400 visitors per day, expects sales numbers to rise as Halloween approaches. The stores have a wide variety of costumes to choose from, which makes popular ones hard to miss. Colleen Lignell, costume consultant for Party America, said funny or childhood hero costumes are the most popular with college guys, while sexy or storybook costumes steal the show for college girls this year. Although many students believe that making their own costume is the cheaper way to go, she argues that this might not always be true.
If you want to be, a certain person or a certain character that's licensed, unless you're really creative, it's hard to maybe, get all the pieces together and have it be cost effective.
With the countdown to Halloween started, make sure to find your costume before they're sold out. Juliana Tidwell, KUJH TV News.